Hello, what's up, guys? And this is Joy. I'm the marketing director of this company, Anet. So today, in today's video, I'm going to introduce, how you can win 3D printers and others. I'm talking about parts, accessories, consumables, and a lot of other things that fans or users might be interested. So let me get started. Okay, it's like every day when I come to the company, I'm going to start my computer. I'm going to start this browser, and I will just check out all the messages. Your questions, concerns, and after sales surveys, and also going to check the groups over there. So when it comes to group, and this is the few groups that I will check out on a daily basis. And the first thing is a KOL, the key opinion leader, and sometimes you call it, an influencer program. And I'm going to open it, this tag. There you go. This is the influencer I'm talking about. As you can see, we have a lot of influencers available right now. What is the number? Yeah, now it's almost 120 members, and you see the list of what we wanted, and what is the qualification list that we want to see, and it starts with country, language, age, and the channels that you have. And so this is where we select and we grow our the influencers here, and we hope you can join this group and contact us, emails, for example, like this marketing email, and you can just send me message, and I will check all the message on daily basis and make sure, and we read your message, and if we are interested, and we will get back to you. So this is about the QL, that you can get all these kinds of things we are willing to send out. So it is also about other groups, for example, like this one. It's called official, and this one is a A8 series, and this one is ET series. This is the most popular machines, series of machines that Anet sells. And this is the official one. So what I'm trying to say is this: we're going to check out the group insight, and we know exactly who is active or not, and we really want to see our fans or users get involved. It could be likes, it could be posts, it could be comments, or you share it, whatever. So for example, like this place, and this is the fans over here, and you can see who is really active and really show their interest or contributing to this community, because we want this community to grow, and we will select the top contributors that help this community to grow. For example, like this one is from Korea, and I think he's one of our influencer, and we want to choose other fans or users. For the influencers, I'm not saying we are not going to send out free things here. And for the influencers, you can also you can always contact Jia Cheng, and she's there available to answer all of your questions or concerns. He's more like she's more like the business development kind of person. Anyway, so this one really great performance, and in this group, and there is a list of 9 people during the last 28 days. And let me see this one, this A8, the group insight, and wow, I don't want to see this part. And it's growing all the time, but recently it seems a little bit like a twist. And you will see we are going to download details, we will predict, we will analyze what's going on with this company. So this is the top contributors I'm talking about. Well, let me see others. And how about this group? This is ET series, and this one. Yes, this is the people that really show their interest and we'll choose from this all of the list. So what I'm trying to say is it's not just the top one, like this one is definitely to get one of these. It has to be some other reasons. For example, we are trying to build a community that is like a multicultural, multilingual, which means we're not just going to choose the English-speaking countries, and we are really interested into other language or countries. For example, like our user base, like Spanish is really huge. This one is Jose, and I'm talking about Portuguese. I'm talking about the Hindis and people from Indonesia and other countries. So if you are contributor of the list, and be sure that we will announce the winners of the 3D printers and other parts and accessories on a weekly basis. All right, we're going to start from this week already. So this is about the groups, and so we are talking about the pages. For example, like this one. Still loading, and this is our official Anet 3D printers. As you can see, the fans and the users. That is a huge number of users over there, and you can see the data and the video reviews and everything. I think this community is growing at a unprecedented speed. Anyway, so we also have this let me see, community right here, and this is like top fans. So no matter you are influencer, no matter you are just like a user or anything, if you are contributing to this community or the groups, and so you don't worry, and we will contact you one day or another. So like this one, and I'm not sure he's from Pakistan or not, and he's like from Qatar, Doha. And Atif is a really lovely man with 3 children, and I talked to him, last week, and he actually won 3 printers, and later he will update us. And this is like the top fans for 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, and this is where the list happens, and this is where we will start with this influencer program or this active users or fans. Anyway, so that is about it, and see the list. Let me see. We have the list right here, and this is the campaign. The winners will win. Like this. This is for users, fans only. It's not, the influencer is excluded. So we also have these accessories, those, filaments, consumables, and 3D pens, and other useful and interesting, the models that we will print out based on, like a daily basis. Like yesterday, we printed out a really controversial guy, Donald Trump, and really interesting. Anyway, make sure you follow our page, join the groups, and try to help us to build a great community. And let me tell you, the boss, our boss is Jackie, and told me that we'll stop at nothing to help grow these communities. And I know this community will help us in a lot of ways. It's not just about review, and it's also about where the customers' concerns or questions arise, where the product development, the ideas should come from. For example, like we have users, fans asking us to add modules, more useful features. I'm talking about Wi-Fi, like cloud printing and everything. So we will be there, and we will be there really, really soon. Again, thank you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe and follow the page.